and welcome back. Today I will be showing you how I did the wax seals on my wedding invitations. So first I have the little wax pellets, and I have 5 colors. I have 3 colors in my wedding: orange, pink, and blue. And then I got a pearl and a gold color to help kind of separate the colors, because I know that orange and blue often make green, so I wanted to be able to separate those colors. And for each wax seal I used 3 pellets, although every now and then I would throw in 4 just to get more color going through it, because since I did 150 wax seals for all of my invitations, if I variated on what colors I would use, each seal would have a little bit of each color. Now it did stick a little bit, like it just kind of sorry. Go back and watch that again. So it was just like so anyway, after that got kind of melted down, it takes about 3 minutes for it to melt if you don't let the candle go out by tapping it. It takes about 3 minutes to melt, and I would say each seal took about 4, sometimes 5 minutes to make. And so if you were doing as many as I would highly recommend sitting in front of the TV like I was. Now this is the most satisfying part. You just pour it out. This is the best part. Definitely do the circular motion. I found out that if you just tip it and let it all pour out, you will not actually get a circled, marbled effect. It'll just go everywhere. And so I will have the company in the link, but I actually got a special seal made for my wedding seals, and it actually says rice on it, which, while it is a cool wedding pun, it is actually the last name of the man I am marrying. So I decided, instead of doing like a weird gray and rice thing, I decided to just do rice, because, you know, it's gonna be my last name and I'm super excited about it. So here are some of my favorite ones that turned out beautifully. I just felt like the video didn't really do the colors justice. And one thing I need to warn you about is that you can obviously reuse any failed ones, and you have to be careful, because as the wax tends to go to the bottom of the spoon after a pour, sometimes it will catch fire. And so usually I just kind of held it up and waited for the fire to kind of die out, but in a couple instances it just wouldn't die out, so I had to kind of wipe it onto the metal frame of one of my candles and then blow it out. So any other hints? I would definitely recommend practicing before obviously doing it on your actual envelopes, but I think that's it for the video. I love the fact that none of the seals really looked the same, since I had to go back and forth between the different combinations of the 5 colors. And so if you only have 3 colors, I think you would be able to get more consistent of a look, but even then you would still get really fun variations. And so I hope you liked it. I hope you'll check back next week, and I'll give away the secret of the gorgeous invitations that I keep flashing on camera. And so I hope you see you then. Bye!